Although not deployed by the Brazilian Army, it has been exported to several Latin American countries, namely the EE-3 Jararaca, developed by Engesa in the late 1970s. Current operators are Cyprus, Ecuador, Gabon, and Uruguay. A total of 63 Reconnaissance vehicles were exported. The EE-3 Jararaca is designed to perform reconnaissance and patrol missions, and also as a base for an anti-tank guided weapons of light anti-aircraft missile carrier. By the 1960s and 1970s, most modern armies had recognized a niche for armor vehicles in secondary battlefield tasks, such as providing information and rear security for larger mechanized formations. This trend to mechanize auxiliary land warfare elements placed an emphasis on the use of light armor to fulfill roles outside the traditional armor doctrine of maneuver and combat. The EE-3 joined several other Engesa well armor vehicles adopted by Brazilian Army, including EE-9 Cascavel 6x6 and EE-11 Euro-2 6x6, in a lineup primarily intended for replace the outgoing American-made M8 Greyhound armor car. The first Jararaca prototype appeared in 1979, and serial production commenced in 1982 after extensive operational testing in Brazil. The EE-3 Jararaca has a fully enclosed hull, which is welded from a multi-layer armor similar to one used on other Engesa armor vehicles. Vehicle has a crew of 3. Occupants enter and leave the vehicle via the roof hatches or a side door located in the middle of the hull from the left side. The armor protects the crew from small arms fire and shell splinters. Since the armament is pin-mounted without gun shield, the gunner is fully exposed. Engesa also offers some optional equipment, including an NBC kit and night vision equipment support. The EE-3 Jararaca is armed with 7.62mm or 12.7mm machine gun mounted over the commander's hatch. However, a wide range of weapons can be installed, including an anti-tank guided weapon launcher, breech-loading motor, or a 20mm turret-mounted cannon. Vehicle is fitted with 4-cylinder OM314A 120 horsepower diesel engine developed by Mercedes-Benz. Vehicle is blocked with clock mechanical transmission. Jararaca's chassis has 4x4 wheel formula. Frontal wheels are directing. Wheels have independent suspension based on spring and hydraulic absorbers. Vehicle is fitted with a wider dimension tires with developed protector pattern and centralized air pressure system. The vehicle is not amphibious. At the end of the 1980s, Engesa found the Jararaca increasingly non-competitive as it had to compete with a surplus of other light armor vehicles appearing on the international market in the wake of the 1989 revolutions and the reduction of Cold War tensions. Furthermore, the market was increasingly skewed towards heavier wheel armor fighting vehicles, which had become more readily available to the armies of developing nations. An unrelated financial crisis forced Engesa to suspend its operations in 1990, and by 1993, production of Jararaca was formally terminated.